This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken cheese updated. Start by trimming and seasoning chicken, then sear to lock juices and set aside. Prepare a cheese sauce with cream, shredded cheese, and spices, stirring until smooth. Combine chicken with sauce, bake briefly to meld flavors, and finish with fresh herbs. I'll guide you through timings and tips so your chicken stays moist and cheesy every time, with easy substitutions for pantry staples. Gather ingredients before you start so cooking flows smoothly and you avoid overcooking. Measure chicken, cheeses, and liquids, and preheat your oven or skillet for consistent results. I'll show exact seasoning amounts and quick swaps for different cheeses or dairy preferences. Having everything ready makes assembly fast, and I'll explain how each ingredient contributes to texture and flavor so you can adapt the recipe confidently for different appetites and diets. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so you don't miss more recipes. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and stack neatly, perfect for storing leftover chicken cheese or bringing lunches. They save time and prevent spills, especially when reheating. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start by searing chicken until browned, then remove it to make the sauce in the same pan for extra flavor. Whisk cream and cheeses over low heat until smooth, then return chicken and spoon sauce over evenly. Transfer to the oven just long enough to finish cooking and melt cheese without drying meat. I'll mention exact times, how to check doneness, and quick fixes if sauce separates so your dish turns out perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.